Today I want to talk to you about tools of human excellence. There are several tools of human excellence that can help us grow in our life. What is growth in our life? If we are growing in our life, we have several options and choices. So with several choices in our life, we can really enjoy our life. It is said that the best thing that will ever happen to you is that you are alive. That means you have this life. Means any other thing is lesser than this. All our achievements, citations, awards, these are nothing in front of our life. Just being alive means everything to us. Just being alive brings us lot of laurels, brings us lot of enjoyment, because only with this life we can do so many things. We can experience so much joy, we can experience so much love. So under this context, I have series of tools of human excellence through which we can optimize our development, we can optimize our love, optimize our enjoyment in our life. So being alive is an infinite blessing. Means there are several blessings coming to us from the universe just because we are alive. We don't need any other except that we are alive and we can experience lot of joy. And in this context, I want to talk to you about several tools of human excellence. Okay, let us start with being a parent. How we can be excelling in our parenthood. How can we be the best parent for our children? So in this context, I wrote a book on parenting excellence. So in this book, I discussed several tools of human excellence and parenting excellence. When we talk about parents is a very, very comforting concept to us, because with parents we enjoy love, we enjoy our life, we get so many things, we just experience lot of joy and care from our parents. So in this, the first tool is love your children unconditionally. Means there are no conditions for love for children from parents. So let us love our children unconditionally. Under this, we have other sub tools like just enjoy their presence, watch them grow happily, then not limit their abilities, and then let them enjoy their uniqueness, support them unconditionally, listen to them, be there for them, be there for their problems, be there for their challenges, be there for their issues, be there for their decisions, be there for their clarity, be there for their understanding, be there for their love. So just experience lot of joy with your children. Just enjoy their presence, be there for them unconditionally, not because they are good or bad. Even when they do some mistakes, you just accept them unconditionally. We have to love them unconditionally. We have to support them throughout their goods and bads, rights and wrongs. So that's how we offer our unconditional love to the children. Thank you.